Rollins on the move! The stomp connects! Got all of it, and Sheamus is down! The noise surging through this arena is ridiculous! Uh-oh! Ooh! Arm drag provides an escape. Oh, a layout DDT. Pattern instincts from Sheamus. He's got the chair set out. Oh boy, this is not going to be good. Oh boy, suplex. Big forearm. Knee right to the midsection. Setting them up for the... He steps foot in the ring again. Bulldog plants him. Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush. He's got a table. We know where this is going, gentlemen. Oh, boy, to the announce table now. Oh, yeah, gonna clean it off here. This is gonna be dangerous. We knew this superstar had a mean streak. We didn't realize that they were downright ruthless. And he's able to reverse. He can end it here. He's got him. No, he gets the shoulder up. How? Escape just in time. Comes back into the ring. Oh, shoulder breaker. That is gonna hurt. Reversal. Can they go on the attack? That dodge can buy Drew time. Just a nasty headbutt. Rollins. There's the forearm. Look out. Set up pendulum face buster. That's gonna hurt. Here's a cover. Could be it. Kicking out in time. Thought he had him. You gotta be kidding me. And he goes into the ring. Rhodes looking to end this. Nails the crossroads. Cody Rhodes just might have finished things. 2. Rollins with a head of steam. Big